I am getting ready to go out and battle the snow so we can go outside and play. Mr. Brady is bundled and ready to go. Say hi, Brady. Hi, Brady. Getting ready to go outside. And this is what it looks like out here today. We have massive amounts of snow. This is a giant drift. Doesn't really probably do it any justice on the video screen here. You might be able to get an idea of it there. So, pretty sweet.
It snowed, it snowed, it snowed last night. Everything is sparkling with diamonds.
This is our front door. This is Brady sweating out our front door.
Say, ready, Mommy? 1, 2, 3.
It snowed,
Check it out.
it snowed, it snowed last night.
That's
Get
awesome.
your hat and coat and bundle up real tight. Hitch up that sled and we'll take a ride. Everybody's happy 'cause it snowed last night. Well, how merry, how rose of
Are you saying Brady and beyond?
It snowed last night. Honey, let's play hooky 'cause it snowed last night. Cozy up together by the fireside, and just before we close our eyes, wish upon a star it snows again tonight. Wish upon a star it snows again tonight. Wish upon a star it snows again.